Greetings, everyone. This is L.R.L. Dunlap Jr. Hallelujah. Greetings to you. I just want to talk to you for a minute. I want to talk for a minute. I want to talk to the prophets. To the prophets. Even you that want to be prophets. You that desire to prophesy. You that covet to prophesy, as scripture said. You that think yourself to be a prophet. You think you're a prophet. You want to be a prophet. You are a prophet. I want to I just want to talk to you. First of all, let's describe what prophecy is. Okay. Prophecy is God speaking through you. Nothing else. Prophecy is God speaking. And God speak when he get ready. And you don't make God speak. Prophecy is God speaking through you. Prophecy is not you saying what you want to say. Prophecy is not you prophesying to your neighbor. That's not prophecy because God didn't speak. Your pastor spoke and told you to prophesy to your neighbor. That ain't God. Prophecy is God speaking what he want, when he want, how he want. It is true. That's prophecy. Now, some of you go to prophetic schools and classes and learn how to operate in the prophetic. Let's go to school. With prophecy, God is a God speak, God in operation. Ain't no learning how to operate in no prophetic. Ain't no learning. God speak through you, period. End of story, end of discussion. God speak. Yeah. That's the whole class. God speak through you. It is true and he don't lie. Now, let me get to the point. Prophet, prophetess, if God speak through you or give you a message or show you something and you tell what you see, you tell what God showed you, you speak what God told you to speak, or the Holy Ghost just speak through you. Okay? When he speak, that's it. Here's my point. Ministry is serious. You don't want to be considered a joke. Prophet, prophetess, man, woman of God, preacher. When God speak, I may talk to the prophets. When God speak through you, tell you to say something, show you something, you say it, and sit down and shut up. You do not come back trying to clarify what God said, for he already spoken. You do not come back arguing back and forth on what was said. Well, I said this. No. The more prophecy ain't what you said. Prophecy is what God said. Don't get to arguing back and forth with nobody over a prophecy that you gave. What you arguing about? What are you arguing back and forth over prophecy, over what God said? What you arguing about? Folk come tell you, well, you was wrong, that ain't true. No, shut your mouth, go about your business. Shut your mouth, go about your business. If it's God, it's true, and it's going to come true in a discussion. The prophecy is God. Well, you prophesied this and this didn't happen. Stop arguing with people. And I'm not trying to take up for no prophet or prophetess. Take this in the context in which I'm saying it. You ain't got to argue with nobody about prophecy, what you said, what God gave you to say. You ain't got to argue with nobody. What you arguing for? What you trying to prove? God spoke. Or did he? Or did you speak? When God speak, that's it. No argument. Nobody got to come back and you said this and blah, blah, blah. And y'all going back and forth. And you trying to come and clarify it, justify it, fix it up and all. Say what God told you to say. Sit down. Shut up. You don't have to go back and forth arguing with nobody about what God said. You do that, you sound cheap. You sound flaky. You sound like a joke. Arguing and having wars on prophecy. What God said. Stop it. Stop it. Just say what God said, go about the business. Okay? That's it. God bless you. God bless you.